Good morning to everyone, student. Here we are going to start exercise 11.3 from chapter number 11, perimeter and area. In the previous video, we had completed exercise 11.1 and 11.2. Hope you people understand. So here is the first question from chapter number 11, exercise 11.3. First question, find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. The value of pi is given as 22/7. So dear student, what we have to find over here? We have to find the circumference. As you know that circumference of a circle, what? Circumference of a circle is also known as the perimeter of the circle. So as you know that we have to find the circumference of a circle. So circumference of a circle is equals to, what is the formula we are having? 2 pi r, isn't it? So 2 comes from the formula. Pi value we have to take as 22/7. It is given in the question. So 2 into pi value is 22/7 into r value comes from the question, that is 14. Okay, so 14 centimeter. Now, as you know that 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. So 2 into 2 it will be 4. So 4 into 22 centimeter. So here it will become 88 centimeter. So what is the value of the circumference of a circle when the radius is 14 centimeter? The value of circumference of a circle will be equals to 88 centimeter when the radius is given as 14 centimeter. Have you understood everyone? In the same way, for the question number B part, same it is given. What is the radius is given as? Radius is given as 28 millimeter, isn't it? So what is the formula for the circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle is equals to 2 pi r, where pi value we have to take it as 22/7. So 2 into pi value is 22/7 into 28. This is the value of radius. Radius is 28, isn't it? Now 7 ones are 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. So here 4. So 2 fours are is 8. So 8 into 22. So 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16 plus 1 17. So that will be 176 mm. Clear everyone? Moving toward the question number 2. Here in the question number 2 it is said that find the area of the circle. So dear student, what we have to find over here? We have to find the area of the circle when the radius is given as 14 centimeter and the value of pi is given as 22/7. So look, question number 2a part. So how much the radius is given? Radius is given as 14 mm and the value of pi we have to take it as 22/7. Okay, so look, what is asked to find out? It is asked to find the area of a circle. Area of a circle. So what is the formula for area of the circle? That is pi r square, isn't it? Pi value we have to take as 22/7. R value is what? 14 and 14 का square, and it is said in meter mm. So meter millimeter into millimeter, so it will become millimeter square. The unit will be also get twice multiplied as the radius is twice multiplied because r square is there. R square उसके पावर में 2 है, मतलब वो 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई होगा अपनी यूनिट के साथ. ठीक है? So here we can say that 22/7 into 14 mm into 14 mm, isn't it? So 7 ones are 7 twos are. So 2 into 22 will be 44. 44 into 14 millimeter. This millimeter will be multiplied. It will become millimeter square. Now 41 into 14. So 4 fours are 60. 4 fours are 16 plus 1 17 into 4 here 4. So how much it will become? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4, 5, 6. So the answer will be 660 millimeter square. Have you understood how to find the area of a circle? Now in the same way we are having the B part, that is here diameter is given. In the B part of question number 2, diameter is given how much? Diameter is given as 49 mm. Okay, so radius of a circle will be how much? Diameter जो होता है radius diameter जो होता है वो full, this is the diameter, isn't it? Half of it is known as radius. So it will be, in order to find divide by 2. So here ones are, here it will be, we will take the complete because it is 49 ना, तो इसको हम ऐसे ले लेते हैं 49 अपॉन 2 का, क्योंकि वो डेसिमल में आ जाएगा ना. एरिया ऑफ सर्कल इज पाई आर स्क्वायर, सो पाई वैल्यू इज 22/7 and r value is 49 upon 2 meter the whole square. So it can be called as 22/7 into 49 upon 2 into 49 upon 2 meter square. Okay, now can get cancelled, you will get the required answer as 7 7 is 49. So here 7 ones are, here 7 again. Okay, now multiply the number, you will get the required answer in this. Clear to everyone? Now moving toward the next question we are having. In the question number 3, it is said that if the circumference of a circular sheet, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. मतलब वहाँ पर circumference of a circle का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है, आपको उस वैल्यू से, मतलब उसकी पेरीमीटर की वैल्यू से आपको क्या फाइंड करना है, रेडियस फाइंड करना है. ओके, circumference is also known as the perimeter of a circle because it is related to the, what is circumference is, circumference means उसका border, ठीक है. area मतलब उसका अंदर का region. Okay, so here the circumference value is given 154 meter and we have to find the radius with the help of circumference of a circle value. Also then we have to find the area of the sheet when the value of pi is equals to given 22/7. Clear to everyone? So look how to do. So here, the question number 3, we are having circumference of a circle is equals to, the value is given in the question as 154 meter. Okay, as you know that, therefore, what we know that the circumference of a circle formula will be, how much? Circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r. Student, it is said circumference, so it will be 2 pi r. Okay, circumference of a circle का वैल्यू कितना है, 154 मीटर है और उसका फॉर्मूला क्या होगा, 2 pi r. पाई की वैल्यू कितना लेना है, we have to take the value of pi as 22/7. It is already given in the bracket of the question number 3. R value, that is radius, we have to find out. Clear to everyone? Now 154 meter, here 7 will be get cross multiplied and 2 into 22 will come in the denominator. जो 2 into 22 है वो डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा, 7 जो है वो 154 के साथ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई होगा. ठीक है, यहाँ पर 2 ones are and here it will be 15, that means 7 4 7. Okay, 15 जो है 7 के 2 के टेबल में 14, 2 के टेबल में 7 टाइम 14 आएगा, 1 कैरी जाएगा 14 हो जाएगा. अब यहाँ पर देखो ये 22 2 11 के टेबल में, 11 के टेबल में 22 2 टाइम आता है, 11 के टेबल में 77 7 टाइम आता है. ठीक है, तो 7 into 7 upon 2 into 1, okay, is equals to r. So 7 into 7 it will be 49 upon 2 meter is equals to r. This is the radius you are having. Clear to everyone? Now after doing this, what we have to find here, we have to find the area, isn't it? After doing this question, we have to find the area over here. So look how to find the area. Now, so here it is asked to find the area. So area of a circle is equals to, what is the formula we are having? Pi r square. This is the formula. Pi value we have to take 22/7. R value we are having 49 upon 2 the meter the whole square. So it can be written as 22/7 into 49 upon 2 into 49 upon 2 meter square. Okay, so here 7 ones are, here 7 sevens are 49. Here 1s are, here 11. Okay, so here again 2 is there. So the value 1 into 7 77. 77 into 49. So here 7 9s is 63. 28, 7 4 are 28, 29, 30. So here 3, 8, 8, 9, 10, 8, 8, 16, plus 1, 17. Okay, so 6 plus 1, 7 here. So the required answer 3773 upon 2 meters square. Okay, now if you are going to divide this number, here it will be how much? 2s are, okay, then 2s are, so we are going to write 2, sorry 1 is taken, 17 that means 16, so 8, 1 again carry, again 16 that means 8, okay, then again 1 is there and 13, so 13, 12 that means 6, again 1 decimal 0.5. So this is the required answer of area of a, what area of a circumference of a circle. Clear to everyone? So next question we are having the question number 4. As you know that in the question number, here it is said that we have to find the radius, isn't it? In the question we have to find the radius as well as we have to find the area. So radius is 49 upon 2, ठीक है, और एरिया कितना निकला 1886.5 मीटर स्क्वायर. अगर इसको आप डिवाइड करना चाहो तो इसको डिवाइड करके डेसिमल में भी लिख सकते हो. 4 जो है 2 की टेबल में 2 टाइम्स ही जाएगा, 9 8 टाइम्स जाएगा और डेसिमल 5, तो इतना एरिया रेडियस, इसको भी आप रेडियस लेकर के चल सकते हैं. क्लियर टू एवरीवन? नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी आर हैविंग. हियर इन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इट इज सेड दैट question number 5, in the question number 4, a gardener went to fence a circular garden of diameter 21. ठीक है, एक गार्डनर है जिसको अपने गार्डन को ऐसे फेंस करना है. फेंस करना मतलब उसका बाउंड्री ऐसे क्रिएट करना है अपने सर्कुलर गार्डन में. A gardener is there and he is having a circular garden. Now he want to protect his garden from the animals. Okay, so what he has to do? He has to create a boundary. So boundary will be in the shape of a what? Boundary will be in the shape of a circle, as the park is in the shape of a circle. That's why. Now it is said that the boundaries, the circular garden diameter is given as 21 meter. That means radius is how? So radius will be equal to 21 upon 2. If you are going to divide this, it will become 21 को अगर 2 से divide करोगे तो कितना आएगा? 10.5. उसका रेडियस हो गया. ठीक है. Then it is said in the question, find the length of the rope he needed to purchase. Now अगर इसको फेंस करना है तो टोटल रोप का लगेगा इसको फेंस करने के लिए, तो कितना रोप लगेगा, उस रोप का लेंथ निकालना है. लेंथ मतलब क्या होगा, उसका बाउंड्री में हम जब फेंस करेंगे रोप से तो लेंथ उसका पेरीमीटर हो जाएगा या सर्कमफ्रेंस हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो हमको वहाँ पर सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ अ सर्कल निकालना है. Then he makes 2 round of fence. Also find the cost if the cost of 4 meter rupees 4 per meter square. अब यहाँ पर हमको कॉस्ट फाइंड करना है और साथ में 2 बार 2 राउंड फेंस किया गया है. मतलब एक कंप्लीट हुआ सर्कल, फिर सेकेंड टाइम फिर उसको मतलब उसको राउंड किया गया. मतलब सर्कमफ्रेंस की जो भी वैल्यू निकलेगा उसको 2 से आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. बिकॉज हियर इन द क्वेश्चन इटसेल्फ इट इज सेड दैट if it makes 2 round of the fence. Okay, so first what you have to do, student, first what you have to do is you have to convert the diameter as question number 4 solution. It is given diameter is equal to 21 upon 2, sorry 21 meter. So with the help of this diameter we can easily find out the radius. So that is 21 upon 2 meter. As we know that diameter is equals to r by 2. This is the formula. You people had already studied many times. Okay. Now after this it is said that find the length of the rope. So here we are going to write, since length of the rope to be fence is equals to circumference of a circle. ठीक है, length of the rope will be equals to the circumference of a circle. Now circumference of a circle फॉर्मूला क्या है, 2 पाई r है. ठीक है, 2 फॉर्मूले से आएगा. पाई की वैल्यू क्वेश्चन में 22/7 लेना है. You have to take the value of pi as 22/7, then r value is given 21/2 मीटर. इसको हमने डेसिमल में नहीं कन्वर्ट किया, ऐसा होल हम उसको लेकर के चलते हैं. ठीक है. Now look here, 2 comes from formula, pi value is 22/7, r value is 21/2. ठीक है. Length of the rope to be fenced will be equals to the circumference of a circle. So here 7 ones are and 7 threes are. Okay. Here 2 and 2 will get cancelled from the numerator and denominator. What is the number left out? That is 22 into 3 meter. Clear? So 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. So what is the length of the rope to be fenced one round is 66. Therefore, length of the rope to be fenced one round is equals to 66 meter. Now, as it is said in the question, since it is said in the question, what is said? Length of the rope to be fenced. How many round is there? 2 round. 2 round fence करने हैं ना, तो क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है. So 2 into 66 meter. Now 2 into 66 meter that means 132 meter. So the total fencing, the total length of the rope will be 132 meter. Have you understood up to here why we had multiplied with 2? Because that it is to be fenced twice. That's why. Also find the cost of the rope if its cost rupees 1 meter, 4 rupees per meter. Now it is said that cost of rope, cost of 1 meter rope is equal to rupees 4. So how many length of the rope is required? 132. Therefore, cost of 132 meter rope is equals to 132 into 4. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 4 5, 5. So this much 528 meter length of the rope is required in order to fence the circular garden twice around it. Okay, so this is a solution of question number 4. Have you understood everyone? Now, after doing so, we are going to move to question number 5. So in question number 5, what we have to do is, it is said that from a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, that means a circular sheet we are having. If this is a circular sheet and its radius is given as, how much the radius is given? Fifth question, radius is given 4 centimeter. A circular sheet we are having and its radius is given 4 centimeter. A circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. Find the radius of the remaining sheet. मतलब ये जो सर्कल है वो कितने सेंटीमीटर का है? 4 सेंटीमीटर का रेडियस है. अब इसके अंदर में हम 3 सेंटीमीटर का रेडियस, मतलब ये जो नीचे वाला हिस्सा हो गया वो 3 सेंटीमीटर का रेडियस को उस सर्कल को काट करके ऐसे बाहर निकालना. तो इसके अंदर कितना एरिया बचेगा? ऐसे जो एरिया है वो बचेगा इस सर्कल के अंदर 1 मीटर का एरिया, 1 सेंटीमीटर का एरिया. तो उसी एरिया जो रिमेनिंग एरिया बचा है उसको हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. ठीक है. Now look how to find out. It's a very easy question, student. You can also do with your own. Okay. Now look how to do it. So first, what we are going to do? Question number 5th. Solution. We will consider this as inner radius and outer radius. So radius of outer circle that we will consider as R1 is equals to 4 centimeter. Okay. Then radius of inner circle मतलब जिस सर्कल को हमको काट करके बाहर निकालना है उसको हम कंसीडर करेंगे R2, that is 3 centimeter. Okay, I will draw a circle for you. This is a circle which is having 4 centimeter. Then one more circle इसको निकालना है हमको कि कितना एरिया वहाँ पर बच रहा है, ठीक है। एयर के साथ फाइंड द रिमेनिंग एरिया। नाउ सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, we are going to take the area of outer circle. So area of a circle is equals to pi r square is there. So pi value here according to the question, it is given inside the bracket 3.14 ये लेना है, ठीक है। पाई की जो वैल्यू है वो 3.14 लेना है। पाई की जो वैल्यू होता है वो 22/7 होता है, जिसको डिवाइड करने पर 3.14 होता है। तो किसी किसी क्वेश्चन में 22/7 लेते हैं, किसी किसी क्वेश्चन में 3.14 लेते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन। सो इस क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में आपको पाई की जो वैल्यू है वो 3.14 लेना है, ठीक है ना। r इज गिवन हाउ मच, 4 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। सो 3.14 into 4 into 4 is how much, 16 centimeter square. Okay, now 3.14 into 16. So 6 4s is 24. 6 7 8 3 18 into 4 1 3. Okay, so 4. So the answer will be 50.24 centimeter square. This is the answer. Clear to everyone? Now after this, what we are going to do? We are going to find the area of the inner circle. Area of inner circle. Okay, so that will be pi r. Here r1, here r2. So pi value is 3.14 into how much radius? 3 centimeter square. So 3 into 3 is how much? 3 into 3 9, to 9 centimeter square. Now 3.14 will be multiplied with 9. So 9 4 is 36. 9 10 11 12 27 28. So the answer will be 28.26 centimeter square. Clear to everyone? Up to here clear? As in the question it is asked that you have to find the remaining area of the sheet. Remaining area of the sheet मतलब area of the outer circle और area of the inner circle दोनों को माइनस करना पड़ेगा, तभी ये वाला जो एरिया है वो निकलेगा, ठीक है। For that, for finding the remaining area, what we are going to do, student? We are going to subtract it. Okay. Now let's see the subtraction. So therefore, area of the remaining circle is equals to, what is the area of the outer circle? That is 5050.24 centimeter square minus area of the inner circle is 28.26 centimeter square. This is the value. So subtract it, 50.24 and 28.26. So here it will be get subtracted. Here 48, here 5, that means 4 will come, here 9, here it will be 11 will become, isn't it? So 11 minus 2 is 9, 9 minus 8 is 1 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So what is the answer we are getting? That is 21.98 centimeter square is the remaining area. मतलब ये जो सर्कल है उसका remaining area 28.98 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। समझ आया कैसे निकालना है? रिमेनिंग मतलब कितना बचा हुआ है, तो कितना बचा हुआ है के लिए क्या करोगे, उसको सब्सट्रैक्ट करोगे। आउटर सर्कल को जो है इनर सर्कल की एरिया से सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है, तो आपको वैल्यू 21.98 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर मिल जाएगा। क्लियर एवरीवन? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Here it is said in the question number 6 that Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost if 1 meter of the lace cost ₹15. Okay, so pi value कितना लेना है आपको? 3.14 लेना है. Now Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter. Cover of diameter मतलब एक सर्कल है जो टेबल है, दिस इज द टेबल going to divide 7.5 meter will be the radius, है ना. Now find the length of the lace. Length मतलब क्या find करना है? बाउंड्री. बाउंड्री में ही उसका लेस लगाएंगे ना. ये क्लॉथ से छोड़ना है इस टेबल को, तो उसके बाउंड्री में हमको ऐसे लेस लगाना है. किसके बाउंड्री में लेस लगाना है? टेबल कवर के बाउंड्री में लेस लगाना है. सो अगर लेस लगाते हैं तो उसका लेंथ मेजर करना पड़ेगा. तो लेंथ फाइंड करने के लिए लेंथ जो है दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू, लेंथ जो किसकी इक्वल हो जाएगा? उसके सर्कमफ्रेंस. सर्कमफ्रेंस मतलब उसके बाउंड्री के इक्वल होगा. ठीक है. सो ऑल्सो इट इज आस्क्ड टू फाइंड आउट इफ 1 मीटर ऑफ द लेस कॉस्ट हाउ मच रुपीस इज गिवन. इट इज गिवन एज ₹50. मतलब 1 मीटर जो है लेस का कॉस्ट 50 रुपीस है. तो कितना मीटर हमको लगेगा? कितना मीटर लगेगा? दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड हियर द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ अ सर्कल. ओके. दैट मीटर, दैट सर्कमफ्रेंस और लेंथ ऑफ द lace will going to be multiplied with 15 as 1 meter of the lace is required cost is 15 rupees. That's clear to everyone. Now see the solution how to do it. Okay. So question number 6. As in the question number 6, how much the diameter is given? Diameter I have already told you that is given as 1.5 meter. Now radius is given as 1.5 meter. The diameter that is it will be divided by 2 as radius is r by 2 is equals to d. Clear to everyone up to here? Now look how to do. Then length of a lace is equal to, okay, it will be equals to what? It will be equals to circumference of a circle. Clear to everyone? It will be equals to circumference of a circle. And what is the formula for circumference of a circle? That is 2 pi r. Okay. So 2 into pi value how much we have to take? It is already given in the question that pi value we have to take it as 3.14 into r value is 1.5 upon 2. ठीक है, समझ आया यहाँ तक? उसके बाद now here 2 comes from the formula pi value is 3.14 into r value is 1.5 upon 2 meter, isn't it? Now here 2 and 2 from the numerator and denominator will get cancelled. 3.14 into 1.5 meter. Now multiply it. So 3.14 into 1.5. So 5 4 is 20. 5 6 7. 5 3 are 15 into here it will be multiplied with 4 1 3. Okay, now add it 7 8 9 10 11 7. Here it will be 4. Now decimal 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 decimal will be how much? 4.71 meter. Clear to everyone? That means how much the length of the lace will be there. लेस कितना लगेगा उस टेबल कवर में लगाने के लिए? कितना लगेगा? 4.71 मीटर लगेगा. ठीक है. As you know that the length of the lace will be equals to the circumference of a circle. That's why we have find it. Now after doing so, is it we have to find the total cost, isn't it? In order to find the total cost, what is the cost is given? Since cost of 1 meter lace is equals to rupees 50. Therefore, cost of 4.71 meter lace is equals to 4.71 into 50. So 4.71 into 50. Multiply it. 5 1s are 5. 5 7s are 13. 5 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23 into 1 7 4. So here 5 6 7 8 9 10 4 6 7 4 5 6 7. So here it will be 70. Here it will be rupees 7070.65. So how much the amount is required? Amount is required as 70.65 and the total length of the lace is required as 4.71, which is the required answer. Clear everyone? समझ आया यहाँ तक सबको? So for today's we are going to end our video. Thank you everyone.